Hey everyone, how's it going? It is Thursday, January 7th. Funness. I'm just opening up my thing to play the video on YouTube. Right now, I am watching YouTube videos on my tablet on my desk. Because I'm bored. Because there's really nothing to do at my house because I feel like I've done everything that I needed to do. My room's cleaned. My mom vacuumed it for me, which I was going to do it next week because from the 11th to the 16th, I have a to-do list, which my boyfriend bought me from Barnes & Nobles. Like, I have to vacuum, post YouTube videos, clean windows, mirror, sweep kitchen, clean curtains, do laundry, just in case my laundry goes out of haywire. I have to order my books for school, and possibly go food shopping, get my friend's birthday, 2 of my friend's birthday cards, and I have correspondence of the days I have things. Like Monday's already filled out, Monday Night Raw with at Amber's house, my friend Amber's house, so yeah. But basically that's till next week. Because my one friend's birthday is January 16th. I don't know what he wants to do for his birthday just yet. I might actually ask him if he wants to do something. If he doesn't have work. So, basically right now it's boring. As usual, it is Thursday. It's boring. It's kind of boring until Friday. Friday is supposed to be all the fun. Which hopefully I can nip this cold in the butt. And tomorrow is my friend's going away gathering. A small group of us, including my best friends, we're going to send her off to Florida because she is moving there soon. And it sucks because I'm like, I've met you, 2 years ago and you're leaving me? I just met you and you're leaving me. But hopefully I can stay in contact with her. Maybe when I have the money, when my friends and I all have the money, I might say, like, let's pull our monies together and let's go visit her. Party in Florida. Hopefully no one has work and stuff, but yeah. And in 2 weeks, my college starts up school and it's going to be an amazing semester, hopefully. But yeah, I'm rambling because there's really nothing to talk about. Except for how Fridays are always fun, Thursdays always suck. So, I am going to watch some YouTube videos, even though it sucks. And I will hopefully find something to do. Maybe play some games on the tablet, go on Facebook and check up on my friends, text friends, see if they're doing okay. So I am going to see you guys around, and hopefully I'll see you soon. Well then, good night, guys. What I did earlier was I did yoga, chilled with my family, talked. I gotta get closer because the boyfriend's sleeping. I'm at my boyfriend's house and I'm sleeping over. He's asleep right now. Yeah, I did yoga, watched YouTube videos, watched Doctor Who, tried watching The Librarians, and completely failed. But my friend helped me out to figure out how to watch the first season. Thank you, Kelly. Shout out to you, girl, because you helped me a whole lot. Got to Nick's house, typed up more of chapter 1 of my story. It's like 5 pages now, but I still got to type more. Probably gonna do 13. All the pages, all the chapters could be 13 chapters. So I'm gonna hit the hay, and I'll see you guys in the morning. This video is going to be posted up tomorrow. I'm going on schedule. Alright, night guys.